What's the first thing come to your mind when you think about your ex?
Why?
Let me answer that.
Why?
Go and guess that bumbo clock.
Yeah, exactly. I'm right up the X. Why? Why me did do it? Why me did do it?
What's the first thing come to your mind when you think about your ex?
Just vex. Just vex. Thinking about my ex just make me vex. But big up my ex anyway, you're still. You see me I say? Yeah.
What's the first thing come to your mind when you think about your ex?
Wrong bang. Definitely. You see when you're at school and you get X, you get beaten for that. Yeah. Cause first when your teacher I look and say, yeah, he's a good student, you get some whole heap of a wrong bang in your book, everything wrong, you get beaten for that X. So when you pick up one girl and you never a good girl for a morning and it becomes your ex, she needed to pick up for a morning. That was a wrong bang for a morning.
Alright, which part we can find you?
Yeah, man, you can find me at Vigorous Dan, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and also Facebook. Look how we hustle every day, you know. Try to make a life out in the street, you know. Never have a choice, never give out. That are the key in a life. Enough people would have do the wrong thing, you know. Man does a try, you know, while them a fight. You know, business cards, they not have a choice. Never give out. That are the key in a life. Round ya now, round ya son a nice watcher. Inna the jungle, yo. Love to see the snake, you know. Ask me how me doing, me I go tell us me great, you know. Man a the greatest thing, but still underrated, you know. Wah, me still a bun a spliff and meditate, you know. Them can't bossy food out of my plate, you know. Me can't tell all the weight of the food, you know. Hey, put that something there on a scale, you know. Adjust me money, me away, you know. Haters them enough up, you know.
There with.
DJ K, no? Nah, my pray.
What's the first thing come to your mind when you think about your ex?
No, say X is a wrong bag, you hear that? John, no? Alright, me do it, you know. X is a wrong bag, you see me? I was a one panty man on feature. Subscribe, you see it? You TikTok channel, you hear that? DJ, vibes of the people, you know? One jazz man out.
Gotcha. See jazz them people. Get a jazz here, woman. You see me show them what I go on. See all eh? Jazz all about. All different size and shape, you see me? Support the youth them. Yeah. Support the youth them, yeah. Yeah. What's the first thing come to your mind when you think about your ex?
Bumbuckler, wrong bang that, you know. Bang, 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 bang. When me go to school, when me get X, you know, man, I beat me get, you know, man. So, you know, say, X them have to go one side, you know, man. Right now, I just lifestyle, you know. Lifestyle moment. The cat them, you know. No more X. X can chuck off, you know, you see me? Be a girl, I give it.
What's the first thing come to your mind when you think about your ex?
Alright, when me think about my ex, me I say, Jano, me wish me could have just go back in time and I say, yo, Jano, I really that person I'm really involved with. I really look back into it. You see me? Yeah man, a bad mistake. I'm gonna want to look back this again, no time at all. Everything happened for a reason. That's why the breaking come to an end, you see me? Yeah.